Take a fresh potato and slice it into thin, round pieces. Drop them into a big bowl, sprinkle a little salt, and give it a good mix. Now, fill the bowl with water and wash off the extra starch. Drain them out and pat them dry with tissue. Next, line a tray with baking paper and place the slices neatly. Slide the tray into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once baked, take them out, let them cool, and gently press each slice. Watch how they turn perfectly crisp. Soft inside, crunchy outside, absolutely delicious. A snack so good, you'll want to share it with your friends.